All right, just got these wheels set up for actually lights, but in reality, these are really small. I wasn't stretching them, but this is the highest they'll go, man. I thought they were gonna be taller than this, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this for lighting or for something else because it's really petite. So this is the exact size, and I thought it was going to be a lot larger, but it is a lot bigger for the actual tires. So I'm not quite sure. I'm going to put it together right now so you guys can see it. And I might not use this at all. I might not use this at all. It depends because of the size. You could rotate these either directions to the top or to the right or left. So I might end up setting up another longer stick because this is too short for this thing, and I want to mount actually lights and cameras, not something small like this. So I might replace this. Let me put it together, see how it looks. All right, this is the system itself. It has these springs in here so you can move it back up. All right, so bring it down. The tires were easy to set up. They have brakes. Each one has brakes. So this is heavy duty. I kind of like this part of it, but I just didn't like the pole itself. The pole makes no sense. It's too small for it, right? But you could actually add any pole you want. And we are going to do that. We're just going to set different... We are going to do that. We're going to replace this one. But in reality, I didn't read it right, the description. I need to get larger, so I might have to get a new poles for this, all right? But I think the lighting's too short, so I'm gonna get a larger pole, and that's about it. But this thing rotates really good, really smooth. I already own one over there, if you guys can see. And look at that one. That one's my light. That's why I thought it was gonna be this tall. But read the description. Here's the tallest it goes. 21 inches. That's pretty much it, all right? So this is the tallest it goes, but you could adjust any lighting that you want to set up. You could take this off and set it up in any direction if you want side, but I might just need this for something else instead of I actually want it for lights, but I'm gonna get a taller pole and I can replace it. So if you're gonna buy this, check it out before you actually buy it, right?